Hi, hello, and welcome to yet another episode of Distraction Routes. Today I'm traveling from Palakkad to Alappuzha, and I thought I will show the route, how it is, what all we have, and all that on this route. Actually, I came for my friend's wedding here in Palakkad. That fort is like 5 kilometers from here, and also the Malambuja Dam. There's a dam here. There is a ropeway in the dam. I've gone when I was pretty small, so there is a ropeway here in Malambuja Dam. That is around 13 kilometers from here. But since the time constraint, I couldn't go to both the places, so I'm heading towards Alappuzha. Now, presently, I'm just started from Palakkad. I left his home. I'm in Palakkad town, and yesterday I was shocked seeing the amount of traffic here. It was crazy. The kind of traffic was crazy yesterday. I felt like Bangalore. I was like wondering how come Palakkad, a small town, having so much traffic. All these what you're seeing here are paddy fields. It looks really beautiful, and the sun is rising there. Really nice. Palakkad is you can say this is a place from where most of the rice is produced, and it is famous for rice. It looks really beautiful. A walk through these fields would be amazing. All these are paddy fields, and the sun rising there. So I'm entering NH 544. Signal is red, and I need to go towards right. So I'm on the NH 544, and you can see all these places have paddy fields. Even at the side of the head, their kids are doing some exercise. There's some flyover work going here. The road is fantastic. I hope the road is the same till Thrissur or till Langamali. Beautiful roads. The highway is wonderful. It's only 2 lane, but it's very good. The roads are very good. Maybe it's newly tarred or something like that. The roads are very good. You can easily cruise, and I'm loving this ride on the highway. You can see this bridge being constructed, and then that leads into a tunnel there. There are 2 tunnels that is being dug up, so that you can skip this road. But this road is not maintained also, because that work is going on, and then that work is also not completing. So this is the condition of the road here. As soon as you enter here till the Palakkad road, it was really nice. From Palakkad to Thrissur, it's starting to get worse. Kerala is known for it, and the vehicle in front of me is carrying toddy. Toddy is like kallu, it is called in Malayalam, and it's the vehicle carrying toddy. I think it's being taken to the toddy shops. It's very bad, the condition of the roads here. You can see all the vehicles struggling, and there is too much of traffic here. All of them standing in line. It cuts through, the tunnel cuts through these mountains and goes direct there. So it shortens this distance also, and it avoids this ghat kind of road. But I don't know what is the problem. It's not been completed since years. If I'm not wrong, it's at least 4 or 5 years. Yeah, this is where the tunnel will end up. So you don't need to go all around this road, and the tunnel will end up here, and the road will continue straight. There's another toll booth here. This is the scenes here. Another booth. I don't know where he is going. Maybe he wants to come to this line here. Everywhere the toll booths are like this. So crowded, so much of queue and so much of traffic. And they say there is FASTag. For what? It's just waste of money and waste of time. And look at the people staying here. Fast tag, just one tag. You need to see the system, Salik system in Dubai. It's really fantastic. It's just like there are no toll booths or anything like that. There are only sensors fixed on top of the post. It's like there will be a boarding like this, and there will be sensors on it, and you have Salik stickers on your vehicle. So each time the vehicle crosses, it detects and it cuts the money from it. So it's just like the FASTag, but it's not the stupid technology that they're using here. It's really nice. This is River Periyar. Wow, the view is amazing. And there you can see the railway track going parallel to the road, and this is Periyar. It's huge. So this is the early morning scenes from Periyar. I'm at Kaladi right now, and there's a railway track going parallel to the road. Normally in Kerala you will find most of the road there will be a railway track going parallel to it when you come near the bridges. Stop for breakfast. I had parota and egg curry. I don't know which place it is. This is Kuritti Tanad, something like that. Not sure what it is. It was nice. Parota and water curry was nice. So I'll continue towards Kottayam, and then from there go towards Chengannur. It's a nice place here. Yeah, the place is Kurichittanam. It's Kurichittanam. And the roads are fantastic here. You see the greenery? That's why it's called the God's own country. It's really beautiful. I took a detour and I'm not going towards Kottayam. I'm going through Manarkad, and then we'll be reaching through Changanasheri. So we're not touching Kottayam. So from Palakkad I came to Thrissur, from Thrissur to Moovattupuzha, from Moovattupuzha then coming to Manarkad. So there was another bypass also, so I did not enter Changanasheri. This is the railway line. This is the railway line between Changanasheri and Tiruvalla. I didn't go to Changanasheri actually. There was another bypass, so I will be directly jumping into Tiruvalla. So I am gaining on kilometers and gaining on time also. It's nice that there are small roads, and Google Mate, she did help me. She didn't put me in trouble. I was a bit skeptical if the roads are right, because you know her. Oh, beautiful place. Tiruvalla, Kottayam, Perunduruthi. So this is the MC road again, Moovattupuzha Changanasheri road. So got onto this road, and I skipped Changnasheri, so now I will be reaching Tiruvalla and then Chenganur. So now I am crossing the Pamba river. This is the same river that starts from Shabarimala, the Pamba where they take the bath and all that. This is the same river, Pamba river, and it flows this way. This is the old bridge that I am using. The other one on the right side is the new bridge. The roads are pretty decent and pretty good, wonderfully made. So from here I need to take this right to go to my home. I think another 4 or 5 kilometers from here and I should reach. Even these roads are beautiful. They've done it well. This road that I'm going right now is a road that goes to Manar and Parimalapalli. So most of the Parimala church, so most of the people coming from the other side, they use this road and they go towards Parimala church. It's a famous church. A lot of people believe there and many people go there. It's not only the Christians that go there, also Hindus from so many places they come. And yes, I've reached my hometown. All that is paddy fields and they make rice. Oh, wonderful. There's a petrol bunk here right now. It's a new one. Earlier last time when I came, they were leveling it and some work was going on, and now a petrol bunk has come. That's really nice. And yes, so that's it from the travel from Palakkad to Chenganur. I have reached home and see you guys in another episode